I have already taken 2 of the courses that I should have taken this year for engineering. I've already taken the introduction course, the course after that, and the aerospace course. The idea would be that a firefighter could stay a safe distance away, maybe a city block away, maybe even closer than that, farther, and they would be able to remotely operate a plane or a drone that would be able to fly above a fire. It would be fire resistant enough that it could hover for about a minute, and it would be able to disperse some kind of an agent to put the fire out or stop it from spreading. So right now I'm working on a plane design. I might work on a drone design soon, but a plane is much easier to learn, a lot easier to control, and I figured that it would be better for the firefighters to use something that is simple rather than something that is complicated that might take years worth of training to be able to use. I have a plane that is built and semi-assembled to some extent. What I have to do now is change that design. It's a good design, but it's not perfect. And that's kind of one of the main principles of engineering. Always be able to step again, try again, and keep going until you get something that works. Like long term, I definitely want to become an aerospace engineer. It's very interesting, very exciting. I love doing it. But as I've done these things, I started practicing a little bit of coding, a little bit of design, a little bit of building, and I found interest in each of these 3 things, which is great because in the end, when I become an aerospace engineer, I use all 3 of those things. So as long as you have the passion and the perseverance for it, you can accomplish anything with the MyPath.